recording as well.
Dan, calm down.
As far as I'm concerned, we only have one shot.
Alright, so to like
Someone lift the
remember
other
on that one part of
I just love it when crap lines up like that.
you look like
Really quick, get the girl in the toilet down.
I shot him.
Cody, what are you doing?